how to play YouTube in background on iPhone. So if you want to play YouTube in your background on your iPhone, then what you need to do is first, you need to open up your settings. From settings, you need to scroll down and then go with general. And under general, you need to scroll down again and you'll find picture in picture. You need to tap on it. Make sure the option is turned on. Once you turn this on, now you need to go back and then open up your YouTube application. After opening your YouTube, you need to go with the bottom, which has that You session or your profile session. Now from here, you need to go with the settings, which will be in the top right. From your settings, you need to scroll down and then go with video and audio preferences. Under that, you need to go with playback. And here you will find picture in picture. You need to make sure that this is also turned on. Once you do that, now you can go back and then just play any video that you're comfortable with. Now, once you have your video, what you need to do is just simply swipe up.
Our head. Where are you?
Make sure that the video is playing while you swipe up. So let me do that.
Problems to fix because
Once you swipe
somebody
up, as you
does
can
not
see on the
come close to
bottom,
the incredible.
you will have your YouTube video playing in your background. You can use any application that you're comfortable with and also have this YouTube video in your background. Now you can just simply tap on this picture in picture option and it will open in your YouTube. So that's how you can play YouTube in background on your iPhone. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.